Pain and suffering isn't some random number. There's a lot of factors that go into it, and in this video, we're gonna explain what those are and what insurance companies look at when they're determining how much to pay you for the pain and suffering that their insured has caused. My name is Lee Rudin. I'm an injury lawyer. We've helped hundreds of people collect millions of dollars, and we can help you too. Today, that help looks like this. We're here to explain to you the process for calculating pain and suffering after you've been hurt, whether it's in a slip and fall, trip and fall, a car wreck, or something else. When an insurance company looks at your case, they have a formula. They might have a computer program, and they're punching in a whole bunch of data to determine what they think your case is worth. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. We don't give a shit what they think. Because if we think your case is worth more, we're gonna go file that lawsuit and let a judge or jury decide. But we have to be smart about it. And so I'm here to share with you the components that go into calculating pain and suffering. Now, medical expenses are easy, right? Medical expenses, we see the dollar amount. For the most part, you should get paid that dollar amount. That dollar amount goes into the calculation of pain and suffering. If an insurance company sees medical bills that are particularly low, they may be less likely to compensate you in a big way on pain and suffering. Same for number of visits with certain doctors, like chiropractors, physical therapists, or specialists. Same thing with frequency of visits. They're looking at how many times did you go, how often did you go, and how long of a period of time did you go. So I tell clients this: it's better to go twice a week for 4 weeks than 4 times a week for 2 weeks. And frankly, it's better to go for a longer period of time until you are 100% better. Even if it means you're only going once a week, once every other week, just to get those final kinks out. You go until you have a 0 pain level, because that's how you were before, and that's how the insurance company is responsible for putting you back. Medical expenses, number of treatment, times you've treated, length of your treatment. Also, what do the medical records say actually happened to you? Does it say you had a broken bone, a herniated disc in your back? Are we dealing with just soft tissue complaints, sprains, or strains? All of those recommendations, diagnoses will come into play. There's little medical codes that are associated with each of those diagnoses and the recommended treatment that follows. Insurance companies are going to care about that. So if something hurts, if something needs to be addressed by a medical professional, make sure they know it and make sure it's documented in your records, because it really doesn't matter what we say. It matters what we can prove. And the way to prove how hurt you were is to go to the doctor, be treated for the things that hurt, and to follow the doctor's orders all the way through, so that treatment is documented until you are back to the way you were before the wreck or the fall happened. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to give us a call or reach out to us via our website. Our phone number is 833-GET-RUD. That's 833-438-7833. Our website is getrud.com. You can reach out about this topic, about anything having to do with an accident or injury claim, or if you need help in general, and we'll point you in the direction of someone that can, if that's not us. And for more information about what it's like going through the trials and tribulations of getting hurt in Louisiana, tune into our next video.